Hi, welcome to Product Review by Robojax. In this video we are going to introduce this Meshpocket communication device by Heltec. This is off-grid LoRa based communication with 5000 mAh and 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery with wireless charging, wired charging and free emergency communication system. We're going to test it to send message between these devices and also the Heltec WiFi LoRa 32, in this case inside the Meshnology N35 case from Meshnology. We can send a message and all of these devices can receive it. Okay, I'm now 1.5 kilometers from my home. When you go for hiking or in case of emergency, fire, flood or anything that happens and your mobile device, that cell tower will not work, you can use this device as an emergency. It can charge also your phone, that's the most important part, and using Bluetooth you can write your message here and this will transmit it to the other member who has LoRa device. The LoRa device does not necessarily mean this Meshpocket, but also you can use any other LoRa device such as this Heltec WiFi LoRa 32, which I have a lot of videos for this. The links will be below the video in the description, so you can communicate, send messages and inform each other about the situation, whatever is needed. Or in terms of a group of people going for hiking and they are far away from the wireless communication system, they could use it. And if I connect this here to my device, as you can see, it's now started charging, so it can charge your device 5000 mAh. This is the 5000 mAh version. There is 10,000 mAh. This is the package of 5000 mAh. So this is a package that you will receive. See what we have here, nothing else. We have a very brief description, small user guide. This is a cable for firmware. This is a Meshtastic device. If I lift this up, at the bottom we have a USB cable and we have a pouch. Let's see what else. Okay, so we got a ring. We could attach it at the back of phone, but we don't need this anyways. And let's remove this sticker. We have 3 buttons, 2 here and 1 here. And this port is for, this cable is for firmware upgrade. It's just USB connectivity. Magnetically it will be attached. And this can go to your USB, so you can connect it via your computer to upgrade the firmware if you want to do through this one. Now we have, this button is called the user button and this is the reset button. When I press this, it will reboot. Just wait for this few seconds and it will be completely rebooting with Meshtastic firmware. This is user switch. When I press this, you can go from one screen to other screen depending on what option is available, if the messages are available or not. It shows you the node position, the text or anything that you have. On this side we have control switch. Job of this one is to disable and enable wireless, wired or all charging. If I press it once, explain this, to explain the Meshtastics, we have this switch which is called the user switch. It will go through some of the settings on the screen. and it shows all the other users, and it comes back. And if you press it, if you do the long press, you see the options. For each option, you can press and hold it, so it can give you, for example, I selected shutdown and restart. This is the control. This is for charge and wireless and wired. You can turn off the wireless, you can turn off the wireless and wired, and when it is off, you can turn it on. Here, for example, if I just press it once, it shows you the status of the battery, green, and the wireless is active. Now if I bring my phone, it is charging. But if you want to disable the wireless, just press this twice. Once, two, twice, and now the wireless has been disabled. It's not charging. You can charge your phone from this battery bank by connecting the available USB-C cable that comes with this, so you can charge your battery. But now this is charging. You can also disable this by pressing and holding this for a few seconds. Now wireless and wired charge have been disabled. You see, nothing happens. And if I connect it, wired charge have been disabled. To turn it on, just press this. It will wake up, and the wired is activated, charging now. And if I try the wireless is also charging. Because this uses Qi2, Qi2, it has magnetic alignment, so you don't have to worry about alignment or bring it at the sweet spot or very close. As soon as you put it, it will automatically align itself, and your phone will be at the exact spot for maximum efficiency and charge. Have a look at the specs for Meshpocket. It's available at 5 or 10,000 mAh. And Qi2, this Qi2, this is compatible with Qi2. It has Qi2, Qi2 compatibility, meaning it can charge up to 15 watts very fast, reliable, and compatible. And the wireless charging supports 7.5, 10, and 15 watts. And the output from USB-C, it can give you 9 volts, 5 volts, 3 ampere via USB-C. And also supports the PD, AFC, and Huawei adapter protocol. It allows charging and discharging. The integrated NRF 52840 for Bluetooth Low Energy Edition, and SX1262, that's a LoRa chip, and it comes with 2.13-inch e-ink display. The weight of the device is 140 grams for 5,000 mAh, and if you select 10,000 mAh, the weight is 220 grams. This is Meshnology's website, meshnology.com, where you can find all LoRa related products. And for any product on the meshnology.com, you can purchase them from this website. For example, this is available in gray, yellow, 5,000 mAh or 10,000 mAh. And also you can select the region or frequency that you want, and they will ship it to you. This is robojax.com, where we have resource page for each project. Each project is fully explained, and we will have related links, a related tutorial available. You can also download the library and codes. Here on the desktop on Windows, right click on the Start menu. I'm clicking and going to Device Manager. And under the ports, we will see here some ports that are connected. So I'm now connecting this to the port. It has been updated, and here the port 10 has appeared here. If I disconnect it, you will see that it just got disconnected. So the driver, now I'm on the Meshtastic, click on Get Started, and it will guide you step by step, whatever it is. So the first thing is install the driver. Install the driver for ESP32 or for NRF 5.2 version. If I click this, the driver is CH340. If you need it, just click here, and the driver is available here. Click, install, and finish it. And go to the flasher here, firmware flasher for the ESP32 or for this device for NRF52. And these are the options. One of the options is factory erase. So we can go for Meshtastic web flasher, click, and this is the screen, which is very important. So first we will select our device, click, and you will see all these devices available, but you can filter them by manufacturer, Heltec. If I click, and here we can see Heltec Mesh-Pocket. On this screen we select the device is already selected, and then we select the firmware. From here we will get, you see, unstable. These are all unstable, and these are stable. So we should select the latest stable version, which is already selected. There are some options in terms of language. Other languages are available. You can select the language that you wish, and then click flash. Once you click, it tells you what options are available. Continue. Now let's click on this to mount it. We can double click this reset button, and if I go to my PC, I can see HT N5262. Now it's available. Make sure this is selected. This option, install ink HUD display, and save as. I'm going to save it as current. This is the name. Let's select it as current, save. So that's done. And the device is now it's rebooting, and flashing firmware is done. To install Meshtastic, go to your Play Store and type Meshtastic, and here, this is the one. We can select it and touch to install. Once done, you can open it. There is some welcome screen. You can skip or see it one by one if you want to read. Let's just skip. And this is the main screen at the top with serial, and no device is connected in Bluetooth. We can scan. And now if I do the scan, what happens? Allow. So we found Meshtastic B872 here. This is the number. I touched it and it gives me this number we have to enter in order to pair. 412810. Pin that you have, click OK, and now we got connected. It says configuration. So now let's see what we have here. From the bottom we can see all the list of devices that we have connected. From here we can go the one that is already active. It says Robojax M001. But from the bottom we can go back to the list. And this one now shows which one is selected. As you can see, the app is not working properly. I've updated the name. The second one, so when you touch it, you have to wait for it until it loads it via Bluetooth. You see it reading. It goes back to this screen where you can go from the menu to the settings. But let me press the bottom key. As you can see, this is now highlighted. So here it says you must set a region. So select the region. And from this menu, we select where you are. So here I'm selecting United States. The rest, we don't do anything. Automatically the frequency is set. And at the bottom, it says send. When I send it, now this will reboot. It will take a few seconds. The screen, again, I can select here, and this is selected. I can go to the top, and then radio configuration. All this configuration is shown, but let's go back. And if I go from here, while this is selected, we can go to configuration. And on the user, this device username can be changed. Here, let's change it to Robojax M002. And here, I'm going to put the same name, M002. M002, and click send again. Again, it will be rebooted because it will be renaming it. And from here I can go back. The name shows here correctly, but Bluetooth still is holding the old name. After waiting for a while, now this has been updated as M002, Robojax M002. So this is paired with this, and this Meshpocket 1 or M001 is connected to this Google Pixel device. Now let's demonstrate it in the lab first. I'm opening the Meshtastic app and continue. You will see other devices in the region that are connected or not connected. Do not worry about this. So we click on this icon to see the device that is paired under either Bluetooth, wireless, or serial. Because we are connected under Bluetooth, the device is RJM002, labeled my phone as M002, not to mix this up. Now this is M002 and M001 is here. We can send a message from M002. Now when I type something, it goes via Bluetooth to this device and this transmits it. We do not see it here. So the device is selected, we go to chat and we select a channel. You could have multiple channels. It's called long fast, that's a default channel. And let's send a message, and I'm gonna put these two together. You will not see anything, but it should be viewed there. Let's call it lab test. Now lab test appeared there. Nothing is here because this is sending it to that. So this text is from M002. Now I'm going to use M001 to send a message to 2. My device is M001. Select it. It must be highlighted. If not, just touch it. It will be selected. Then go to chat. Select the channel. And here, let's say, lab test reply. I'm just saying lab test reply using 001. This is connected to my phone and it's transmitting it. Lab reply, lab test reply. So it perfectly worked, and so this is done now. So we were able, anybody who is part of the channel, joined with that channel, will be able to receive the message. Now I'm sending a message and you will receive it on Heltec WiFi LoRa 32, which is in this case from Meshnology. This is M35 case, which has 3000 mAh battery in it, and we can carry it. These are extra wires that I connected for relay or anything else that I needed, but for now we just use the screen that we have here. Using the M001, this device, to send a message. So the Wi-Fi LoRa 32 should receive it, and also M002, which we already set up. So I'm sending how is LoRa 32. I just sent it. We received it here, and also we received it here. So you can connect all of the devices together. Okay, now we're going to test it in the field. I'm now at home. I'm going to leave one device here, and I will ask my friend to send me a message. I'm going to the further location, and then we will receive a message. Here is the device again on the table. Now I'm going to use, M2 will be used to transmit from home. I'm going to take M1 with myself and this mobile phone. M2 is connected to the other mobile device. And now I'm on the field about 1.4 kilometers away from my home, and we're going to receive text on this Meshpocket. Let me show you the map, and then we are going to test it. Okay, I'm now 1.5 kilometers from my home, which is somewhere behind those trees. Here, Meshpocket 1 is ready. Now I'm sending test from 1.5 kilometers. Do you copy? And let's see if I can touch it with my hand and send it. Okay, the message is sent. I'm waiting to receive. Wow, so here we see it, yes, and the signal strength is shown, everything. So we received message from that distance. Now for conclusion, I would say that this Meshpocket is an amazing device with built-in charge and wireless charging, and also it has Qi2 wireless with fast charging up to 15 watt. So this can be used to supply power in case of emergency for your phone wirelessly or via the provided USB-C cable. You can also use it as a communication device, so it has multiple applications, easy to use, lightweight. It comes at 5,000 mAh battery bank capacity, or 10,000 milliampere hour. This is a 5,000 milliampere hour capacity, which is around 140 grams. But the 10,000 milliampere hour capacity is around 250 grams. It can work also with Heltec WiFi LoRa 32 or actually any Meshtastic device. You can check them from meshtastic.org, whichever is available, because any LoRa device that need to be used with Meshtastics must have Bluetooth. And this is the Meshnology N35 case, where inside this we have 3,000 milliampere hour battery and Heltec LoRa Wi-Fi 32, which can communicate with the same device. And this is the last message that we just tested. The word yes is on the screen if you could see it. This can be carried very easily. If you don't need a battery bank feature, you can use this one. These wires are for relay, which I created another project. I have tons of projects for Heltec Wi-Fi LoRa 32. The links will be below this video. This product will have also a resource page on robojax.com. Once you click, you can see related videos and projects, and downloads and features will be explained on that page. If you purchase any of these products from the affiliated links that I provide, I will get some commission. It will help me. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Until then, goodbye.